video for year 7 pupils on how to use My Maths. I know some of you have had the opportunity to be shown it during your lessons so far, but I am aware that not all year 7 classes have had maths on either Friday or Monday. Hopefully if you follow this, you will receive your username and password shortly if you haven't got them, and this should guide you through how to use My Maths and hopefully get some maths done over the next 2 weeks. Right, so first thing, you come to My Maths either by typing in the web address bar or just through Google, and then everyone will be shown a page which first of all looks like this. If you go to the top right, you'll see the word login. Click that, and then here, and I'm just going to delete this, mine automatically saves, yours will as well once you do it the first time. Here you're then going to type in the school username and password. Now, as I said, you will receive these details in the post, but the school username is the same for every single person in year 7, which is just Bryn Tyrion, and the school password is cuboid. And I don't think it matters if you do uppercase or lowercase for cuboid. Once you click login, you'll then be confronted with this page. So click no thanks. Now, on the right hand side, you'll automatically see my portal username and my portal password. Now what this page does, let me go off that, sorry for a sec. What this page does, this allows you to log into your own space. Obviously that space is unique to you, and that's how as a teacher I know who has completed what. Again, you'll be given this username and password. I'm just going to log in under a demo account for the time being. So my username is 2580 and my password then, I'm just going to type in here and I'm going to click login again. Okay. Then I'll be taken into another page which shows my homework. Now, I've only set one homework so far, which is a level 2 skill. That's what the 2 refers to, on odds, evens and multiples. And at the bottom here, you will see it details when it was set and when it was due. So I'll run you through how to actually complete the homework. Now, there's a lesson and then there's the tab for homework. Now, we'd advise, depending on how strong and confident you are with each topic, we'd advise you first view the lesson. So if we click on lesson, you then open a new tab and you'll see down the right hand side, first of all, the objectives and a little table showing you what's what. On the right hand side, you'll see the numbers 1 to 8. Now, if you just slowly click these, so you can click number 1, down the bottom right, then you'll then see the word next. And what will basically happen is this interactive teaching, and someone will walk you through what's going to be included within the homework. So they're first of all talking through the odds and evens, then going to slightly bigger numbers, and then just showing you that obviously 27, 29, they're odds as well because they end in 7, 9, along with 1, 3 and 5. So if you slowly then at your own pace go through the tabs down the right hand side. So we got tab number 2, click next to all the even numbers you see, so I could go 2, 4 and so on. Tab number 3, multiples, it walks you through what they are and so on. Once you've finished viewing the lesson, if you need it, what you then do is at the top you go back to your original screen, and now you're ready to do the homework. So if you click on online homework, you'll then have another tab opened, and this now is where you complete the task that they've set you, which relates to the lesson. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to very, very quickly do it, getting some right and getting some wrong, just to show you what happens when you're right and when you're wrong. So first thing on the left, it says no calculator. That obviously means you're advised not to do this task with a calculator. And you'll see Q1, 0 out of 8, and Q2, 0 out of 4. Every My Maths homework has 2 sheets. So you'll always see the first page, you'll always see the second page, and that's it. It's never got more and it's never got less. So click to show the odd numbers. So the odd number here, or just 1, would be 3. Click to show the even, so we got 20. Click to show the number in the 5 times table, 35, and click to show the number in the 10 times table, so we could have 50. Now, if I click on mark it down the bottom right, you hopefully should see 4 ticks. that will automatically be sent to me as the teacher. So what I then do is I click on question 2. Now this time I am going to get some wrong, just to show you what happens. So fill in the missing numbers. It's going through the odd number sequence. This time I'm actually going to put 14. Now we all hopefully know it's 13, but just to show you what happens. Then the even numbers. So this looks like it's going up in 6s to me, so the next one should be 32. And then last of all, we've got some form of pattern in the box. So we've got 2, 8, 14, 20, 26, 32, 38, gap 50. So that again looks like it's going up in 6s. So I'm going to go with 44. And then this one looks like it's going up in 3s. I'm going to deliberately get this one wrong. And I'm going to instead put 20 when it should be 19. So if I click mark it, you'll then see I had ticks next to some, but not next to others. Now, if we click on see a summary, what this will do, this will break down the parts and the topics which you did really well on, or the parts and the topics which you need to actually work on slightly. You can try it again if you want. You'll see this tab down the bottom here. So if you got something wrong and you think you know why it was, you're more than welcome to go back in and click try again and hopefully correct your mistake. You will see slightly different numbers. That's the way my maths generates. You never have exactly the same numbers. You'll have exactly the same task, but as I said, the sequence, instead of going up in 6s, this time maybe going up in 5s or 4s. Last thing, and the most important thing really, we do get a lot of people who actually do it and we can see that they've done it, but we don't get a score. And that's because when they get to this page, they just come up to the top and they click X. You must remember to click finish and close. That is almost in a way a submit button. So when you click finish and close, what will happen, it will delete from your homework and it will automatically upload into the teacher's account. Okay, if there's any questions, I'd advise you to get in contact with the school and they can contact me, and hopefully this helps you get onto My Maths. Just as a note, My Maths is available on laptop or desktop. It's available on an iPad and it's even available to do on your phone. Obviously you'd have a smaller screen, but it does work on a variety of platforms. Hope this helps, and hopefully I'll see you back on the 21st of September.